do you feel like you want to do great things, but when it comes to actually doing those things, you say that kal se kar lenge, I'll do it tomorrow? Do you feel like that you want to start something, but it's difficult? It's like I can't seem, where do I start? Suppose, let's take an example. If you want to start creating content, you feel like I want to show up on videos, I want to maybe start a business, I want to maybe start a habit, but then again I don't know where do I even start. How do I create the first video, or maybe how do I start the business that I want to start? It's like too much for me. And you have this kind of spirit to do something different, but at the same time it's so hard. It's like uh, I can't do it today, something like that. There are a lot of people who are in this rut of want to do something, but then again I can't because I don't have the resources, or maybe because I'm lazy, or because maybe I think that I'll do it tomorrow, or I think that it's just so hard. Relatable? So I'm going to tell you today three steps that you can, with those three steps you can start anything. Okay, anything. It could be a business, it could be a habit, it could be content creation like I am doing, it could be it could be maybe a hobby that you want to start, but you are like procrastinating on that as well. And yeah, let's start with it. So the first step is start small. Simple. So you don't have to start, suppose you're starting with content creation, don't think of like posting daily, don't think of posting 10-minute video, don't think like that. Just start with a 1-minute video, or maybe a 30-second video, and maybe once a week, and focus on the discipline instead of willpower or instead of motivation. Create a discipline that I'm going to start this small. Okay, I'm going to, maybe if I'm starting a habit of reading, I'm going to start with 1 page a day. If I'm going to start a business, I'm going to just research by watching one video on YouTube a day and see that how I can market that product or service. Or if I am like maybe starting to learn maybe guitar, right, that you want to, like I really wanted to learn ukulele. Okay, so how I am doing it is that I am just learning 30 minutes a day, right? So anything that you want to do, start with as small as possible. And the second thing is that create a routine around that. Instead of just thinking that okay, I'm going to do it any time of the day, I'm going to do it maybe any day in a month or any day in a week. Create a routine, a proper routine, that okay, if I feel like I have time around morning 6 to 7, or if I have time around evening 6 to 7, or whatever 9 to 10 before sleeping, whenever you have the time, create a routine that in this time I'm going to start that reading habit, in this time I'm going to practice my guitar, at this time I'm going to search about my business. Start with that small thing and create a particular day. Okay, if I'm posting a YouTube video, I'm going to post on maybe Mondays at 11 a.m. I'm going to post. So I have to create something on maybe Sunday or Saturday, right, so that I can get the time to edit as well. So create a plan in your mind that I will create a routine, instead of just thinking that okay, I'm going to do it once a week, right? So create a routine, create a plan around that. The third thing is that use 5-minute rule, the same thing that I talked about. Start small, and maybe as small as 5 minutes. You will say that I'm just going to do that for 5 minutes daily, right? Suppose it's a night care routine, so you just say that I'm going to create a small night care routine, a 5-minute routine. It will not take more than 5 minutes, not even 6 minutes. It will take just 5 minutes. And it could be like maybe I will wake up 5 minutes earlier. Maybe if I'm waking up at 7, maybe I'll wake up at 6:55. So like 5-minute routine, just a 5-minute routine will help you get into this habit. And once you see, after 1 month, once you have done this, you will see a momentum. The biggest thing a person struggles with the most is the starting point. Once that person has started that, the momentum starts building on itself. but the hardest part is just to start. So start small. There are some bonus tip is as well, like you can reward yourself. Suppose if you have done a 21 days challenge of maybe meditation like I am doing right now, so once you are taking that challenge, now focus on how you can reward yourself. Maybe you can go to eat something you like, maybe a pizza, or maybe you can go and go to a place where you love, or maybe meet a friend, or whatever way, or maybe buy something, buy a dress, whatever. So reward yourself. And also there's one more very important part, which is accountability. If you can do it with a friend, if you can do it with maybe a family member, suppose if you want to start yoga, do it with your mother, do it with your sister, maybe do it with someone. If you want to start reading, maybe do it with someone, maybe get one friend or a colleague or like social media friend, whatever. Do it with them. Once you do it, once you have an accountability partner, it helps you to get into that habit. So these are like five, like these are some of the steps that you can follow. And I want to clarify that it's okay to fail. You will fail, right? But it's not okay to stay where you are right now. So get out of that and take action. Even if you fail, okay, maybe you have done something for 7 days and 8th day you don't want to do that, it's fine. Again, on the 9th day, on the 10th day, get up and do it again.